Hello students, good evening everybody. We have seen the derivative of standard functions in the previous class. D by dx of x, derivative of x is 1, derivative of e power x is e power x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x is secant square x. So three trigonometric ratios are completed. So let us see remaining three trigonometric ratios. Fourth one, find the derivative of cot x with respect to x. So for this, let f of x equal to cot x, right? F of x plus h, in the place of x replace x plus h, cot of x plus h. So by the principle of first principle, we have derivative formula f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is called first principle or fundamental principle. So substitute the values here. Limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h means cot x plus h minus cot x upon h. So limit h tending to 0, cot theta can be written as cos x plus h upon sin x plus h minus cot x can be written as cos x by sin x. Okay, into 1 by h I am keeping separately. Now what to do? Take LCM. We can take LCM here. Limit h tending to 0. First you write sin x. Cos of x plus h minus cos x sin of x plus h upon sin of x plus h into sin x into h. It looks like sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. That can be written as sin of a minus b. Is that clear? Numerator looks like sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b we have from compound angles. So this as it is I am writing sin of x plus h into sin x into h. Now split that. Limit h tends to 0, sin of x minus h upon sin of x plus h into sin x into h. X gets cancelled. Then what is remaining here? Limit h tends to 0, sin of minus h upon sin of x plus h into sin x into h. From the trigonometry, basic trigonometry, sin minus theta can be minus sin theta. So we can write sin h upon h together into limit h tending to 0, 1 by sin of x plus h into sin x. This value 1. In the place of h keep 0, then we keep sin x into sin x sin square x. Since limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is always 1. Standard formula, that is 1. So 1 by sin square x is nothing but cosec square x. So what did you understand from this? Therefore, f dash x equal to minus cosec square x, that is d by dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. So that is the derivative of cot x, right? So the derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Next let us see secant x, right? Fifth trigonometric ratio is secant x from the first principle. So f of x equal to secant x. F of x plus h means secant x plus h. Now you will apply the first fundamental formula. Okay. So let us. So if you apply that, limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h means secant of x plus h minus f of x means secant x upon h. Now limit h tending to 0, secant theta can be written as 1 by cos of x plus h minus 1 by cos x into 1 by h keep separating. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, we will get cos x minus of cos x plus h upon cos of x plus h into cos x into h as it is. Now the numerator looks like cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d, that is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. That is the formula for cos c minus cos d. So what we are going to do is, limit h tends to 0, if you write here minus 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin c means x minus h upon 2 by cos of x plus h into cos x into h. Is that clear? Applied the formula. So minus I am bringing it out. So what will be remaining here? Limit h tending to 0, sin of x plus x 2x by 2 means x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2. Keep this h for this. I am multiplying and dividing with 2. This 2 gets cancelled here. Okay. Then what is remaining? One more. Limit h tending to 0, 1 by cos of x plus h into cos x. Right? That is the remaining values. Here I will apply the limit here. Once see. So limit h tending to 0. If you write limit h tending to 0, okay, I will apply at a time once. Okay, into limit h tending to 0 means h by 2 also tending to 0, sin h by 2 by h by 2. This value becomes 1 into limit h tending to 0, 1 by cos of x plus h into cos x. Okay, now apply the limit. You will get here sin x into this value 1. This value we will get cos square x. So sin x by cos x will be tan x. 1 by cos x will be secant x. So the derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. That is d by dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. So what is the derivative of secant theta? Secant theta tan theta. Right? Hope it is clear. Sixth one, last one, cosecant x. Okay, cosec x we will see. Sixth one, sixth trigonometric ratio is cosec x. By using fundamental principle or first principle, we are finding cosec x plus h. Now we will see. Apply the formula. Okay. If you substitute the values here, limit h tending to 0, f of x plus h means cosec x plus h minus cosec x upon h. So cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus 1 by sin x. Okay, into 1 by h, keep separate. Take LCM. Limit h tends to 0, sin x minus sin of x plus h upon sin of x plus h into sin x into h. Right? Looks like sin c minus sin d. Right? So we had already sin c minus sin d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Apply the formula. Okay. Limit h tending to 0, 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into sin c minus x minus h upon 2 by sin x plus h into sin x into h. Here x cancel. So what is remaining? Limit h tends to 0, 2 cos 2x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2. You will get minus common here because sin minus theta is minus sin theta. That minus I am keeping out. Upon h is there, by 2 into 2, this 2 gets cancelled. Right? Into 1 by sin x plus h into sin x as it is. Right? Now, take the limit for everything. Limit h tending to 0 minus cos, here x plus h by 2, because 2x by 2 means x plus h by 2. Similarly, limit h tending to h by 2 tending to 0, sin h by 2 by h by 2. This value becomes 1 into limit h tending to 0, 1 by sin of x plus h into sin x. Be careful when we take the limit. So here minus cos x will remain. This is 1. Here 1 by sin square x. Minus cos x by sin x is cot x. 1 by sin x is cosec x. Therefore f dash x equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. That is d by dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Right? So this is the end of solution. So we have solved all the 6 trigonometric ratios by using first principle. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.